Hi friends, it's about 3 in the morning, which means I've had a solid couple hours of sleep and maybe a little bit delusional here, but I'm so excited because this morning I'm going fishing with my buddies Hollywood Rick and Bernie. I can't really talk right now. I need to turn my brain on. I don't exactly know what to expect from today, but I'm just really excited to be out of the house and doing something. It should be a really good time, so let's go. Oh yeah, and I don't know if I really covered this already, but I don't really, I'm not really a fisherman. Like, I love to fish, but I don't know how to put my hook on or anything like that. So, yeah, this should be interesting. But I think I'm going to be really good at fishing today. We'll see. Anyways, it's going to be an awesome day. Here we go. I don't know how much of this you can see, but this place is a trip. It's 5 in the morning, still completely dark, and there's this lake right in the middle of the city, and there's just people all around it right now. It's crazy. You'll see more of it in the light, but I'll try and show you now, but I don't think it'll work. So the guys brought like 9 rods for us to use. Unfortunately, Rick is the only man amongst us, and he's got to set every single one of them up. So
you guys suck.
Good job, Rick.
You guys suck.
Way to be a man. All right, guys, who is going to catch the most fish today? Is it me? Probably. Is it Rick, who actually knows what he's doing?
Maybe.
Probably not. Is it Will, who has a broken back and kind of knows what he's doing? Probably not him either. It's going to be me. I'm going to win this thing. Comment down below with who's going to catch the biggest fish and who's going to catch the most fish. So obviously this is a beautiful fish, but we're not going to keep this one. It's native to this habitat. You know, it's not very good eats anyway, so we're just going to release this guy. Oh yeah, swim. Hi everyone, just wanted to do a quick update on our fish count so far. We'll go around the circle and just name off how many fish we've caught. So Mike so far has caught 0. I haven't caught any. I'm starting slow. It's 9:30 now, but I feel like I'm about to catch some good momentum. So next up is Rick. Rick, how many fish have you caught so far today? Oh, 0 also. Okay, all right. Feeling good though? You're gonna come on strong as well, I think.
I'm waiting.
Okay, perfect. Will, how many fish have you caught so far?
0. Mike did catch a piece of driftwood.
I caught a piece of driftwood. So right now the score is 0 to 0 to 1 driftwood. 9:30 a.m. We've only been out here like 5 hours. Don't worry. These beautiful birds and a very large tortoise. I just want to do another quick update on all the fish we've caught so far. So far, I am at 0, Rick is at 0, and Will is sleeping in the truck. So doing really good over here. Yeah! Well, it's currently like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and the fish count as it currently stands is me with 0, Rick with 0, and Will with 0. So we're trying another spot, and hopefully that works. If not, we'll go home and try again later. Rick having some trouble with the first real bite of the day. You on there? No? Well, that was the most excitement we had, so we'll take it. All right, we are back for one final update. How many fish did you catch today, Rick?
0 fish. Same, that's the same number that I caught and the same number that Will caught. But we had a phenomenal time, and we're absolutely going to show you what it looks like when we catch some fish. Next weekend we're going to go on a camping trip, and we're not bringing any food with us. We're just going to catch it and cook it. Yeah? No, that's not true. I mean, we plan on catching lots of stuff, but we're also going to bring lots of food because we like to eat. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you would like to subscribe, you know, this probably wasn't my best video, but if you do want to subscribe, click up there. If you want to watch more videos, that's a better idea. Click over there. Let's do this stuff. You got anything else to say, Ray?
Fish on, baby.
Fish on. Let's go.